Earning over $200 a day through Amazon affiliate marketing without spending money on affiliate programs can be achievable, but it requires strategic planning, effort, and consistent execution. Keep in mind that results may vary, and success depends on factors like your niche, content quality, and audience engagement. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Choose a niche. Select a niche that interests you and has a market demand. It's crucial to choose a niche you're knowledgeable about and passionate about, as this will reflect in your content and engagement. 2. Research keywords. Use keyword research tools, like Google Keyword Planner, Ubersuggest, or Ahrefs, to identify relevant and high search volume keywords related to your chosen niche. This will help you create content that attracts organic traffic. 3. Create a website or blog. Set up a user-friendly website or blog using platforms like WordPress, Wix, or Blogger. Choose a clean and responsive design that provides a good user experience. 4. Produce high-quality content. Regularly publish valuable, informative, and engaging content related to your niche. This could include product reviews, buying guides, how-to articles, and informative blog posts. Focus on solving problems and addressing the needs of your target audience. 5. Join the Amazon Affiliate Program. Sign up for the Amazon Associates Program. Once approved, you'll gain access to affiliate links and banners that you can integrate into your content. 6. Write compelling product reviews. Write detailed and honest product reviews for Amazon products related to your niche. Include personal experiences, benefits, drawbacks, and comparisons. Use your affiliate links within these reviews. 7. Create informative buying guides. Develop buying guides that help readers make informed purchasing decisions. Compare different products, explain their features, and offer recommendations based on different use cases. 8. Optimize for SEO. Optimize your content for search engines by using the keywords you've researched. This will help your content rank higher in search engine results and attract organic traffic. 9. Promote content on social media. Share your content on social media platforms relevant to your niche. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, and encourage discussions. 10. Utilize email marketing. Build an email list by offering a free resource related to your niche in exchange for visitors' email addresses. Send regular newsletters featuring your latest content and product recommendations. 11. Focus on user experience. Ensure your website is easy to navigate, loads quickly, and is mobile responsive. A positive user experience encourages visitors to stay on your site longer and engage with your content. 12. Analyze and optimize. Regularly analyze your website's performance using tools like Google Analytics. Track which content is generating the most clicks and conversions. Adjust your strategies based on this data. 13. Patience and consistency. Earning $200 a day won't happen overnight. Consistency is key. Keep creating high-quality content, engaging with your audience, and refining your strategies. 14. Consider monetization strategies. In addition to Amazon Associates, explore other monetization methods such as Google AdSense, sponsored posts, and digital products. Remember that success in affiliate marketing takes time and effort. Stay committed, adapt to changes, and continuously improve your strategies to achieve your earning goals.